Getting it done. Isn't that so much easier said than done? I find that the case all the time. There's some things that I get done right away because they're easy. I love to do them. It's fun. But the things that are hard or I just don't want to do are the things that either get put off or I make all these excuses in my head about why or why not I shouldn't do them. So I wanted to talk about getting over that and just getting it done. Like this morning, for instance, my alarm went off and I did not want to roll out of bed and it's just like a short 20-minute workout in. I did not want to do that. I came up with all kinds of excuses like I didn't sleep very well last night. I'm tired. I could just use that extra 20 minutes to sleep. But instead of letting those voices kind of creep up in my head, it would have just been so much easier if I would have already decided that I was going to do it. So like for instance, today I'm going to try just deciding the night before tonight when I go to sleep just to get it done. Like don't put up with all the excuses that hammer around in my head in the morning and just get it done. So same thing with some of the hard things. I just have to decide before I have to do it to get it done. So for instance, if there's something in my business that I need to get done and I write it out, well, before I get to the point in my day where I've decided that's the time I'm going to dedicate to getting that thing done that's really hard, I'm deciding right then and there when I write it down or when I decide it needs to be done that I'm going to do it, regardless of what excuses I can come up with. Because I don't know about you, but I can be pretty creative when it comes to excuses on why or why not I should or should not do something. Just like my kids, it is insane how many excuses they can come up with on why they shouldn't clean up their room. I mean, I think I could write a whole book on that. So I'm sure we could write a whole book on why or why not we don't do the things that we do. So I just want to challenge you to take a minute on the things that you know tomorrow are going to be challenging for you, or you already know that thing that you're going to come up with an excuse about. Make a commitment to yourself right now that as soon as that excuse comes up, you're just going to shut it down and you're just going to do it because you've already decided you're going to do it. Okay, you guys have a great day and dream big.